So today this is what we're working on. Got a Massey Ferguson 240. I don't recall what year this is. And I've got my assistant with me today. You want to say hey?
Hi.
Yeah. He's looking at all the little doodle bugs. I don't think he's ever seen those before.
I have.
Have you seen them before?
Remember we went to that parking trail where the four-wheeler and the motorcycle went by?
I got you. Oh yeah. Yep. So, well, let me show you what I did on this thing. Let's see, last year I rebuilt this injection pump, and that is called a Lucas Cav injection pump. It's kind of dark in here. You'll see it. I'll stop. All right, I'm back. Customer come out the door there. Anyway, here's what we got. Rebuilt this pump last year. That was interesting. Wasn't a whole lot to it, but now I mainly came back over here to, I don't know if that light's helping. Let me see if I can turn it off. Yeah, this cable right here, that is your cable to turn your pump on and off. So it basically turns the tractor on and off. And when I got through working on it last year, that cable started coming apart. And let me see if I can get you up in there. I don't think I can, but let me see if I can see it up in there. This is the cable here. And it actually started coming apart. I can't remember where. But instead of the cable turning the tractor off, the whole thing was sliding. So we got a new cable. We'll come over here to put that on today. But as things would go, we also had a small leak. We saw that bottle under here, but it's coming from right there. It might just have worked itself loose, and that is your fuel inlet. That's where it comes in. I'm trying to remember how this thing works now. It's been a while. That's either the inlet or I can't remember now, but regardless, it is leaking. There's a copper washer right there. So that nut may have just come loose. So we're going to try to get it tightened up, get it to stop leaking. Again, man, this thing's it's a booger to get it to stop leaking. But he said it works great. It's just got a slight leak to it. So I'm going to get some tools and we're going to get after that and see if we can get it tightened up.
Here he comes, Daddy.
Coming back?
Yep.
Alright. And what is it, about 15? Yeah. Just a little bit loose. Alright, we're working on taking this cable loose now. So we have to take it. There's an old jam nut there. Cut the zip ties loose. I got to take this bracket loose. And looks like it slides up to that air filter housing there. So, see if I can get y'all in there somewhere to see what I'm doing. Let's see, I'm working right. Working right there. I guess y'all can see that. It's crazy how small that is. And the last time I did it, I had this exhaust out of the way, so I don't think I'm going to try to take it out of the way this time. Nope. That stuff's so small. It's hard to hang on to it. There it goes. It's not. It won't come out, is it? There it goes. Okay. You think it's all just big tools on these diesel things? Not all the time. Sometimes we got to use this little bitty stuff. But honestly, our fingers don't like it a whole lot. So, I think the customer's coming back, so I'm just going to go ahead and take this thing out, and I'll try to record as I can. But the customer's enjoying driving Levi around. He's got a golf cart, and they've already rode down to the pond and looking for deer, and it's awesome. So, all right, we'll be back. All right, I know we're cutting this all up, but the customer's hanging out. He's hanging out, playing with Levi. So he is rode off right now. So let me show you what we got. So we got our new cable in. This is our new kill switch cable for fuel. Run it there. Run it in the exact same spot as the factory one. Goes up over there, filter housing.
Am I too loud?
No, you're fine.
Sorry.
You're fine. And comes over there, filter housing right there. And thankfully, battery lid comes off. And that's it right there. Goes through this little firewall right there. And kill switch cable. And let me show you why we changed it. There's the original one. As you can see, it come out of the sleeve. So when you go to kill the tractor, turn the fuel off, it just comes out of the sleeve, and it doesn't move the cable down there. It's supposed to do that. That's why we changed it. So now, push it in with the key on. Make sure you get it adjusted right. Just like that. And that's it.